Hey guys, welcome back to this week's episode of the GoliCast, recorded on my old phone, so the sound quality is pretty trash. But I am making the masala for this South Asian dish called biryani. Pakistanis do it better than the Indians, I'm sorry, that's just true. And the cameraman with me, or the recorder with me, is my sister. Sister, you can say hi.
Hello.
So she's been helping, she helped a lot, she helped cut some of the onions and the tomatoes, and she's been helping stirring everything. Just guiding me through, just
I actually wanted to record this.
What do you mean?
Like, I wanted to record it.
Like a video?
I want to make a video and then show it to Mama.
I'm not gonna listen to this. You guys, now I think it's time to add the tomatoes. I think the chicken is a good.
Are you gonna post this? I do not allow.
I'm gonna taste the chicken a little bit.
No, but kachi lag rahi hai.
It's not touchy. Trust me. I know. No. It's white from the inside. It's cooked.
After eating a lot of uncooked chicken, I'm traumatized.
Guys, I have to put that down.
No one can see you.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Oh, this kind of looks like Mom's.
Here's that chicken.
Why do you sound like Gordon Ramsay?
Tell me that doesn't taste like home.
It doesn't.
It doesn't. Does it taste edible? It tastes cooked, right?
Yeah, it does. It does. It's cooked.
Yeah. Because it'll cook more once we put the tomato.
No, it's takriban ho gayi hai.
Yeah, that's just the response we were looking for. It's creamy. Okay guys, so now I just put the tomatoes in. We cut a lot of tomatoes up this time around. Normally we do that as well. And this is just...
Oh, girgya.
Guys, girgya means you're doing a good job. And now my sister will give me the phone while I continue recording, and she's gonna wash the chopping board. No, you just wanna, at this point, you can reduce the heat a little bit, because you're guys gonna let the tomatoes cook everything, Also, you might want to start preparing your rice at this moment as well, which I will do. I will put you guys down just here. Fine. Fuck up. Fuck up from us. This is garam masala, right?
नहीं बाबा पहले चम्मच निकाल के देखो धनिया पाउडर क्या है
I'm just checking everything, guys.
Oh blue.
This is dhania powder for sure.
Mom, Mom's gonna be mad.
It goes this up.
मैं क्लीन की बात नहीं है सारा नहीं करना ना
Wait, actually, this is not cool. This is wash. Just kind of spread it into the world, guys.
Spread into the world?
Okay, you just want to take a little bit of
wow, this booty is a nice big piece.
Just want to take
I almost broke it.
A little bit of these masalas.
I am green at the wall. Dhania powder.
Yeah, garam is... Guys, that one's actually like garam, so it's brown because it's garam. Can you keep mixing that, please?
Okay.
You don't need to stop.
First of all, you're the one who's cooking. I'm just here for moral support and food. Why are you making me do it? You made me cry 3 times. Cut up the gas.
That's the garam masala, guys. Let's add that.
Soon ke dala doga.
Soon ke dal, guys. That means I'm doing a great job in burgering. You mean? Now I'm taking over?
I did nothing.
Now once you get the tomatoes up to a really nice glaze, like you want to glaze
they're
them.
still solid. Continue, Lala.
At this point, your chicken is picking up a lot of lovely flavors. If you just go over there and you can smell that for me. That smells great. It smells like home.
I inhaled some of that.
The best part about making this is when you inhale. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna just cook the rice, and we're gonna soak the rice a little bit.
Did Mom say she wanted to do that?
Mom can go.
I kind of want to go to that salon over there.
Soak the rice with this hot water over here. 3/4 of the way.
Mom, in that. Mom's cooking a lot.
I'm gonna kind of move it around also because you want to clean up the rice. Okay, you gotta let that soak. Okay, guys? Good soak, you got a good soak there.
Why are you teaching people how to make bombay biryani?
Just gonna take out the excess milky stuff because we don't need that.
Oh, you're taking out all the
And we're
water.
gonna soak it again. So you should,
Oh, you're cleaning it.
yeah, you should soak it till it's transparent. Which I usually don't do. So a lot of people recommend to use.
Your chicken is bubbling.
Just rotate it around. Let me know when the tomatoes are completely gullified.
Gullified. Gullified sounds like a Goliath term. Gulali. Once you become a Goliath fan, you become gullified. Get it? Please laugh.
Okay, so now that my sister has moved around the tomatoes a little bit, you can see the tomatoes are starting to get gullified. This
Start to become Goliath fan.
Yeah. Then you guys want to go in and you're gonna toss in your masala. I would put an asterisk with this in. This masala is too much in my opinion, but we like our biryani a little bit masala. ज़्यादा हो गया तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते मेरे दोस्त.
Wipe it nicely.
You want to get all of your masala in there, guys.
Tap it. Tap it.
Never tap it, guys. That's like the number one thing you should never do.
फिर बाहर कैसे लगा?
You just get in as much as you can, and the rest is.
Oh, well, your phone's ringing. Oh, never mind. That was the sound from somewhere else.
You want to get as much of it as you can, and if you cannot, that's okay also.
Add some water and then only paani डालना चाहिए था.
No, you shouldn't do that. As you can see, my sister, I did that on purpose just so she could take over a bit.
What a lie! I've never made biryani before. Yani.
Like sides. Clean this up.
Wow, I'm like the carbon copy of you. Gee.
The rest of us will soak it though, not the done.
हाँ नहीं काफी सारा है यार मैं तो पूरा साफ करती हूँ.
तो डालो फिर बोलो. मैं क्या इतना एक दिनों की तकलीफ में.
बस पानी खराब हो जाएगा ना.
No, खराब नहीं होगा. Just get baggy for it. I don't want that.
This one's a korma.
It smells good. That's what it smells like. It smells good.
That is true.
I'm gonna increase the heat, guys. And then now we can also start boiling our water.
Which one's the better?
Yeah, because we want it to be at max.
Oh, I was wrong. This looks like achar gosht.
I've done that a lot. That my goodness, it simulates the love of it.
Who's telling you these lies?
Do not like to disrespect.
I'm just an assistant.
You're not just an assistant. You're a family.
Wow! Oh my god!
Assistant, can you come here? You clean this one. Good. The milky rice, we're gonna leave it up here and keep letting that soak for a little bit while this heats up. Now at this stage, guys, you can add your aloo. I like them. I've already pre-boiled them a bit. And I'm gonna try to remove as much water as I can from the aloo.
But you have it. Well, obviously gonna go down. Hey, stupid! What's outside?
I'm just gonna toss some of the aloes in. You just wanna do that real carefully. For this masala and everything?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I'm washing this person. I have no other job.
If my assistant will come here, she can taste the masala.
Wow, thank you. Well, this is
Now we just want to boil this whole thing.
washing powder here, Mom. What's this accent, by the way? I just realized you're using this fake accent. I don't want some water. You got some water? They need some water. I think that recording needs to stop.
I agree.
asking for the third time. They want company. Bye.
Where are you going?
One more forget. मगर ये प्याज काटने से मुझे रोटी चाहिए. I was like, that's my problem.
Show me the phone.
You just start our recording. Please. Is it recording?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the same episode of the GoliCast. I'm still here with my sister. We got the biryani masala up to a boil. I wish I could show you guys. It's looking kind of nice.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna make a video out of it.
I know. Fatma would like to say some words of encouragement to the GoliCast and how much she appreciates the life.
I do not.
Anyways, guys, so I'm also eating watermelon on the side.
Like, you're gonna lick your tail.
The fun thing about watermelon.
Watermelon, sugar.
Anyone want this, please?
Yes.
The fun thing about watermelon is that it has a lot of water in it. And that's what makes it.
Why are you sweating so much?
Because I don't have a lot of water in it. In me. Guys, what Fatima just said translates to blah, you're the best brother ever. Anyways.
If you want me to say that, I'll say it. It's true.
It's all because I'm the only brother she has.
Everyone loves their sibling.
I hate one.
Then why am I here? Why can't you make this on your own?
Because I need someone to record for the GoliCast. Anyways, Fatima has been helping me. She's been a very good sweetheart here.
Sweetheart, wow.
She also needs to take a shower sometimes. So it's okay. People oil their hair.
There was oil in the biryani as well.
So you guys, I quickly want to just take a look at the potatoes, see their gullifiedness.
Gullified as in I became Goliath fans.
Yeah.
Same churi. Oh, that looks pretty solid. Like, it looks kind of done.
It looks kind of not done.
Really? I'm not touching. I'm not
I want
touching
it.
it. I'm not touching it.
I want Fatima to taste the pyaz.
You're feeding me with a knife.
Pick it up.
That's बहुत गरम है. Yeah, it tastes like a normal nice pyaz.
How does the masala? You can taste the masala.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
I'm like used to eating Sindhi biryani, so like.
This is kind of a new experience for Fatima.
Fatima, you boot.
I'm gonna just taste some more of the masala, guys, just so I know if there's like anything missing or not.
ASMR. Ew.
I haven't tasted it yet. Now I'm actually gonna taste it. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I saw some of your saliva. It's kind of gross.
People like that on the GoliCast, right, guys?
Yes. Ew, who are these fans?
Goliath fans. Anyways, guys, so for those of you who made it this far, who are actually listening, that just means I love you, bro.
It's really cold. It's really cold outside. Go stand there for a bit.
Yeah.
Funny down.
No. Anyways, guys, so fun fact, we mentioned this before, but our album that we've been working on for the past year, me and Tamar, the Goliath album,
sorry.
it has a bunch of songs. You guys have already heard 2 of them, but they're not the best production of those songs. Nostalgic Me
I
and
feel
a little
like
more.
the Goliath self-composed songs are better than the
Fatima has heard 2 of the unreleased songs, but they were parts of them are unreleased, but she really liked them. She thought they're pretty nice. They have good meanings. Like they have good lyrics. Their lyrics are very interesting. They're more interesting than whatever. I don't know.
I heard the first song that you guys wrote. That strawberry.
Yeah, that one. That's like if you mentioned strawberry flavor on here before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you exposed me. My name has been told.
People know who you are from your
No
voice.
one knows.
A lot of people know you from.
No one knows.
Oh, do you think that Allah looks gallified?
A Goliath fan, yes.
That's not what I'm saying.
But you're the one who's poking it with a knife. Like, how am I supposed to know what it feels like? Okay.
Let me find one.
No, it's too harder. But it does harder, see?
We're gonna keep letting that cook, I guess. It's the olives are. I'm just gonna boil the olives for a moment.
What was that fake accent you were using in the beginning?
What fake accent?
It's so fake.
Anyways, guys, so as I was saying about the album, So we've written 17 songs in total.
Wow.
But only like 7 of them are like completely done. Like lyrics are completely done, the melody is done, and the instrumentals are done. But the problem is we have not recorded a decent version of it to be released. Anyways, back to that recipe. That's the name of this episode.
Wow, okay.
The
It
recipe.
was like a promotion in the beginning.
Yeah, now
Why are you touching me?
I'm gonna dip Fatma's head in the pot just to add a little bit more flavor.
नहीं करो ना बहुत गर्म है.
Fatma thought I was actually gonna do that because she thinks I'm a sociopath.
You are abusive.
Guys, that's not true. Cut it. I'm kidding.
It's time to cut it. कौन सा वाला है?
Right, Baba.
That we're only built to fall. Is it easier to stay? Is it easier to go? I don't wanna know.